Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It doesn't matter. And find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon, and tap on add picture or simply tap on the circle, it doesn't matter. So here we've got some sections from which we can choose our photo from. In device photos we've got our own gallery, we can enter your own photos and tap on the camera and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you at this moment. Google Photos, so basically backed up photos and illustrations which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have a photo and you don't really want to take a photo of this person, you can try to find something cool, something interesting right here. All right, so let me pick maybe this one. Just tap on the specific photo. Here you've got presets, so as you can see you can also change the colors. Moreover, you can crop the photo, so not only this illustration, but also your own photo taken with the camera. You can basically zoom it in or out, you can change the position of the photo, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Now let's tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.